This segment will demonstrate how to assemble the sweeper housing and hitch brackets. First, note the red and black mark on each of the brush assemblies. The red mark is on the left brush assembly, part 7, and the black mark is on the right brush assembly, part 8. Now, tip the sweeper housing forward and align the right brush assembly to the holes on the right side of the brush shaft. Make sure the black mark on the brush assembly is toward the middle of the sweeper and the overlap bristles face out when the brush is rotated to the bottom position. Secure the brush assembly by inserting two 1/4 by 1 inch hex bolts, part D, and two 1/4 inch nylock nuts, part F, and fully tighten the bolt. Repeat these steps to attach the left brush assembly, again making sure the red mark on the brush assembly is toward the middle of the sweeper and the overlap bristles face out when the brush is rotated to the bottom position. Next, assemble the hitch tubes. Align the left hitch tube to the holes on the left side of the sweeper housing with the 7/7L facing towards the sweeper. Attach the hitch tube with two 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts, part C, and 5/16 inch nylock nuts, part G. Do not fully tighten the bolts at this time. Repeat these steps to attach the right hitch tube to the right side of the sweeper housing. Attach the ends of the hitch tubes together with two 5/16 by 3 inch hex bolts, part A, and nylock nuts, part G. Again, do not fully tighten the bolts. The hitch brackets can be assembled with the bent bracket on top or on bottom based on the height of your lawn tractor. It attaches the same either way. Align the two hitch brackets to the end of the hitch tube so that the two holes in each bracket align on either side of the front bolt of the hitch tubes. Insert two 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch bolts, part B, down through the aligned holes and secure them with nylock nuts, part G. Do not fully tighten the bolts at this time. Next, insert the hitch pin, part N, down through the top hitch bracket, then through the two spacers, part I, and then through the bottom hitch bracket. Secure the hitch pin with the hairpin cotter, part M. Finally, go back and fully tighten all the bolts in the same order in which you assembled them.